In a quiet Hmong village nestled between the mountains, an old man spent his days giving advice to the younger men. He always said, "Be good, be patient, be someone everyone can rely on." The villagers respected his words, even though few had ever seen him do the things he preached. One warm afternoon, he pointed his walking stick at a young man carrying firewood. "You must learn to serve others," he said. "Put yourself last. Then people will value you." The young man set down the wood and looked at him calmly. "Before you teach me how to be a good man," he said quietly, "look in the mirror. Have you ever done the things you asked from us?" The old man froze. The young man continued, his voice steady. "You speak of kindness, but show none. You speak of hard work, but never help." As the young man picked up his firewood and walked away, he added, "If you want respect, earn it. Not with words, but with actions." The old man finally understood the lesson he tried to teach was the one he needed most.